good evening, everyone. So tonight we're going to discuss rather about the update of our system. So Miss Erando, kindly perform the sign in.
And now, you need to enter the correct email and password to log in. And enter enter admin and enter password admin123 and sign in. And sign in.
So we will wait for a while. I think we have a troubleshoot in our network.
So, um, this is the dashboard interface. As you can see at the right, at the right side, let's see, at the left side pala. And makikita natin dito na ang menu, that is the dashboard and inventory, POS, reports, and settings. As we can see, the dashboard display the total product, low stock product, out of stock product, zero stock product, and most stocks product, and lastly the top performing product. The data here from inventory management inventory. And giving the floor for Mr. Lumuay to discuss the inventory interface.
So as we can see in our inventory overview, we have the products, which is this is the main uh, well, if the user going to add an item on his store, so in our inventory, he can perform the add item. So as we can see, we have here the lansang, and in our dashboard, we have only one product, which is lansang. And so in our inventory, we have here the opening stock, sales, balance stock, and also the price. So in our if we add an item, just click the button, the plus add new item. Then as we can see here, we have the we need to fill in our fields. So we're going to try add item. So for example, plywood. If we add in our store plywood, and also it have the automatically generated the code and all type. So lagyan na natin or egg. And so the opening stock, if what quantity of stock you're going to add in your inventory. So we have 100 stock. Also the price. So for example, about 350. Then if we click, we have here the cancel if we going to cancel this item. So we're going to click the add item. So as we can see here, the item was successfully added in our inventory. So, so and otherwise we can edit this the item here inside of our inventory. So for example, like the row. So if we're going to edit, okay. And also we can delete this. So as we can see, we have a search bar here. So if you're going to search, we're going to try to, if this search bar na mayroon po siyang function. So as we can see, may function po yung yung search natin. And also if the user were going to delete the item in our inventory or the product, so he can delete it. And for example, na-delete na po natin yung yung unang product. So if the user was going to print out the inside of our inventory, so he can he or she can perform going to print it out. So as we can see here, we have the inventory list product, and also I think that's for our inventory. So we're going to proceed in our POS. So Mr. Ian Litanon going to demonstrate our POS, the functionality of our POS. So the floor is in yours, Mr. Ian Litanon.
So, okay. Can you click the POS button? So, as you can see here, this is a POS purchase transaction POS overview. So, as you can see here, there are 5 input fields at the top. So, you can click the product input fields. Then, can you back the inventory? Yes, click the inventory. As you can see here, the item inside the inventory is plywood. So back to the POS. As you can see here, and then you can type the input fields product plywood because the inventory has a plywood product only. And then, as you can see here, they have a quantity. So you can choose what quantity do you purchase inside the inventory. As you can see, the inventory, they have 100 products stock. So I can buy a 50 product. So type 50 and then click the calendar. Then I choose today. I choose today, December 20. Click today. Yes. Nasa ibaba yung today. Nasa pinakaibaba. Yan. As you can see, this is December 23, 2024. And then type is wood. As you can see here, wood. And then rate, how much the plywood, how much the rate. So you can tap here 250. Yan. 250. Ayan. And then, as you can see here, they have a button add, and if I click this button, and I click add, and then as you can see the show transaction table has a plywood product that is my order inside the inventory. So you can see here they display the product name, type, quantity, price, amount, date. Then that date is my that I choose inside the entity tab at the top. And then they have an edit, delete. Yes. Then as you can see the three buttons, they have a purchase. Yes. If I click that purchase button and then I go to inventory. As you can see here, my plywood as opening stock is 100, and then the balance stock, the history is like opening stock and the balance stock are 100. But now, as you can see, they have 50 balance, and then the sale is 50. So balance stock has automatically minus that I purchased in point of sale. So you can see here 50 sales. That is sales from POS. And then I go to my POS. Click the POS. And now you can see the total amount at the top of these are text area that display. If you add more, if you buy more inside the inventory, as you can see, you can this total amount as uh, automatically calculate inside that amount at the table. So if I click input fields at product at the top here, as you can see at the inventory that has plywood product. But if I buy another product, but there's no more product inside the inventory, if I type nails, you can type nails, yes, and then quantity is 20, and then the date, you can pick a date, then type, please type the type, and then the rate. So here, so if I click add button, click the add button, so you can see here the product nails is not inventory. Can you click on, yes, click the add, now click the add button. So you can see here the nail is not available in the inventory because the product has only inventory is plywood. So you can buy a product that has no available at inventory. So back to POS. So as you can see here, I can print the print transaction. Can you click that? Please wait. Then click cancel. Can you click cancel? And can you see that IC Enterprises that's order number 913 has this code as automatically changed when have a new purchase, or this has dynamically updated the not a double code or duplicate code inside the purchase. So these are receipt. They have a item count, and then the total item. So total. So can you click X, and then you can click edit. Can you click edit here? Then automatically go to the input fields at the top. So if you see here, if I click, can you click product name plywood? If I click S, can you add S and then add here. So you can see if plywood has plywoods, because the inventory has plywood, but if I edit, plywoods has no product because they have a sensitive name. You can see because of a uh, duplicate item inside the inventory. So um, then uh, can you explain the part of report, Miss Hazel Bastida, please? Hazel, please.
So as you can see here in our reports, we have three reports. So we have daily sales, weekly sales, and monthly sales. So as you can see here, we have daily sales for the sales from Monday to Sunday. But we can see here the sales only 12,500 in the day of Monday. So if you want to print it, you can click in a print button. Then if you want to delete it for the another, you can delete the button. So if you print here, you can see the daily sales report. So dito yun makikita lahat ng sales every day. If ilan yung sales natin sa mga na sold natin na product po. So, can we proceed to weekly sales? So, in a weekly sales, they are the same. So, for example lang po tong bali week 1 to week 4. So, we have 12,500 lang po. Kasi, pero makikita mo yan if marami silang binili or marami yung sales natin every week. So, this is the report details of the weekly. So, we have the month and week from 1 to 4, then the total sales of 2,500. So, if your boss wants the sales report, you can print it then. So yeah, you can see here the weekly sales report. So, proceed to monthly sales report. So, dito sa monthly report, dito natin makikita yung sales from the daily sales, sum up to the weekly sales, then overall, the monthly sales will show in here. Dito yung makikita lahat from, as I've said, from daily sales to weekly, naka-add
1, 2, 3, go. So the sales for the month of December will be the the 1,200 12,500. So that's it for the monthly sales report.
So Miss Arado, if
So
you
Ms.
have
Arado, can you explain the interface of sheets?
And then now, go to the manage user. Where you can change your profile picture, update your name, and edit your bio. Change your name, and change your bio. And then save change. That's all.
Mana mo?
Mag, ano lang, summarize ng example.
Ibalik sa ito na kubig. Napay namas ko eh. Mana man
Yung- Wala. Hindi pa kami natapos. Gagi.
Ditromycin, ng tambal ng karonday.
So we add the product in the POS and in the inventory. So we purchase the lansang and automatically the sales will be the the quantity of yung binili nating product na lansang and automatically na minus yung balance stock. Yo.
So, yung yung second purchase po natin is Tuesday. At the day of Tuesday, we purchased lansang worth of 9,000. So, in our daily sales, we have the sales 9,000. So, it automatically the data from our PO is automated distribute to our delivered, in our daily sales. So let's see if our weekly sales. So it automatically add from 9,000 to kanina po is po yun, 12,500 ata yun, yung una. Then at the week of week 4, Monday to Tuesday, yung weekly sales po natin within the day of Monday and Tuesday, we have the total sales worth to 21,500. So yung 12,500 po kanina plus yung 9,000 na 12,000 na 12,000
Na sales.
na sales from Monday po added with the 9,000 9,000 at the day of Tuesday, it total 21,500. So proceed to our daily month. So yes, at December, at day of December. So what about if we purchase in the month of um, a wood month of January? Okay,
Ano
number
the
of quantity.
rate then? The rate.
Successfully. So let's see in our sales.
Click the
No,
purchase.
purchase. Purchase.
No,
New one.
no.
Not enough in our inventory. Okay. So yan po. I think that's all. And hindi po siya na dito kasi naubusan po tayo ng ng plywood sa ating inventory. So I think that's all for our for the update of our system. And thank you everyone for your time, and advance Merry Christmas. Tomorrow will be the Christmas, and hope that the joy and love will spread.
Goodbye and thank you. So that's it. And then we log out successfully. So that's
Thank you
Bye,
everyone.
guys. Goodbye. Good night.
Thank you, sir.